Hi, this is Jerry Barassi, United Financial Planning Group. For most married couples, their filing status typically married filing joint. There used to be very limited situations where it made sense to do that. But under the new tax code that got released in 2018, there's some additional situations where it might make sense to file separately. If you are considered a service business, you may be limited or you may not be able to utilize the deduction or phase out if your income is over $415,000. You really are not going to be able to utilize that QBI. However, if you can file separately and separate the income where one of the spouses' business income falls below that $415,000 deduction or that income limit, then you can utilize the QBI. If you file jointly versus filing separately, you compare the two, there might be a benefit by filing separate returns. I have a real life situation. This is the married filing joint column right here. So this is their taxable income, $419,355 if they filed jointly. So that's above the $415,000 threshold. If you split the two returns, so this is the taxpayer and this is the spouse. The taxpayer had the small business, so their taxable income is $153,000, which is below the threshold. Whereas the spouse's is $241,000. As you can see here, for the taxpayer, their qualified business income deduction, if he filed separately, is $24,272. Whereas if they filed jointly, it was only $102 because it was limited. You can see it's a pretty big difference in the amount. If you look at the tax between the two, if you combine the two separate returns, you're looking at a tax of about a little over $91,000. Whereas if you filed jointly, their tax would be just under $98,000. So you're looking at about a $6,800 difference in tax, pretty big tax savings. Bottom line is you really just have to crunch the numbers, really run the returns separately, see if it makes sense, and then you can decide. If you'd like us to analyze your return, please give us a call or visit our website for information. Thank you.